Welcome back, everybody. This is Kyle with the Country Carving channel. On this channel we cover everything carving from tools to techniques. Today I want to teach you how to carve an eye in a wood spirit. So I've got one finished wood spirit that you've seen before in one of my intro videos. Today we are going to take this roughed out wood spirit and I'm going to show you exactly how to carve a nice simple eye that looks great and that you can use in a lot of your projects. So stay tuned and we'll jump right in. Thanks. Okay, we're all set up here. And so this is a wood spirit that I carved a few weeks ago. I'm going to teach you how to carve an eye similar to this. And I have roughed out a wood spirit already, which looks like this. You'll see the grain is totally different in this piece of bark compared to this one. It's got a very heavy grain in it, so hopefully it looks okay when we're done. So the first step once we get it to this point is to actually draw in the eyes. We do this just to make sure that they're symmetrical, that they look the same on both sides. And so we'll take a pencil and we'll draw that in. Okay, so the next step is to take one of your detailed carving knives and we will just do a stop cut into one of the corners. And then you pop that out. And just continue to do stop cuts so you don't chip anything that you don't want to away. And we'll do that on both sides. You can go right around the whole edge. What we're doing is just trying to get that concave to the eye right now. I'm just going to put that to the side. So you can see you just get that rounded look once you've done that on both sides. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same on the left side now. So you can just work back and forth on both sides to make sure that you're getting as close to the same as possible. Okay. So now we've got the eyes just kind of nice and concave. You can keep playing with it. You can use different chisels. Sometimes I'll use the side of a V tool to kind of just get in those areas that you can't get to with the knife when you're gonna ding your nose. Okay, so we've got our concave eyes. They look a little rough right now, but what we're gonna do is take a V tool and we're gonna go along the top and bottom of the eye to make our eyelids. This will also get rid of the pencil lines that we had just put on. And what I do is I actually just turn the V-gouge a bit so that you get the flat part making the eyelid. Okay. All right, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit and I'll be right back. So next we're going to pick which direction the wood spirit's actually going to look. So this one you can choose either left or right. I'm going to have this wood spirit go to the right. And what we will do is actually take a gouge. You can use different gouges just depending on the size of the eye. So this gouge would be a little bit small for the eye that I'm looking at here. So I'm going to take this gouge, which is a little bit shallower, and what we'll do is actually take it and on the direction that you want the wood spirit to look, you'll take that and we're going to just put in the pupils right now. And you just take it about a third of the way through the eye and we'll just push it straight in. And we'll do that on both eyes. And just push that straight in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our knife and stop cut into the V, and we're going to just start to pop that eye, the pupil right out. So I'm going to start that on this left eye. And once you join up the three corners, it'll pop right out. Just take your time on this. You'll just want to work at it. You can use different chisels and things to just push straight down into the eye, but you want to get it fairly deep. And the other thing that can work is just to start taking smaller chunks out until you get the whole pupil right out. And you can take the same gouge, go back in, and just clean up that line, and then use the knife again. Okay, and then we've got the one eye completed. So we're going to do the same on the right hand side, and we'll be right back. So now you can see the effect where you've actually got the eyes, the wood spirit's actually looking away to the right, and you've got some eyelids. The other thing that you can add is once you're fully done your carving, you can actually add some wrinkle lines right in here. So if you add two little crow's feet on both sides. So I'm gonna just finish up this carving, and we'll show you the finished product at the end. Hey everybody, so we're finished. We got the wood spirit all finished here. I want to show you the final product. So this has got the eyes all finished and the rest of the face all done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and follow along with future content.